Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne, I'm a yoga teacher, and today is another abs workout that I'm sure you're gonna enjoy. All right, let's get right into it. You don't need any props. I just like to sit on the block. That's it. And we're going to be on our backs for all the time. Okay, so we're gonna start with legs up like this, up towards the ceiling. Try to keep your feet as if there is something like, actually, you can pretend that you have a block like this and you try to keep it in balance, okay? And hands to the side like this, touching your ears, but not holding on to the head, and you don't need to curl the head like this. You can keep your head in the alignment of your spine. And we're gonna do simply up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep looking up at the ceiling. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You can let go. Breathe. Sorry for the noise. It was my back into the floor. Okay. Then we're going to place the hands underneath the buttocks, and we're gonna do first legs down, up, and then up like this. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And that's it for now. We're going to increase the number of repetitions with each round. Okay. Then for the obliques, we're gonna do a very easy one. So make sure you place your heels very close to your glutes, bend the knees, and we're going to touch one heel and then the other one. Of course, never curl too much. Keep the head straight and go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go. Now, you don't need to do the one with the block every time, but if you find it helpful, please do. Okay, ready for the second round. Let's come up and 1, 2, 3. Go as high as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations. We move on to the second one. So legs straight. This one is probably the hardest I can propose. So that's why the third one is the easiest I can propose. It's to balance it out. Okay, legs straight and come up, up, and lift the hips. And 2, we do 10. 3, go as high as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more, you can do it. And 9, and 10, and that's it. Congratulations. Okay, bend the knees and touch alternatively your ankles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Congrats. Relax. Legs up. Let's go for the third round. I'm sure it's going to be a very quick video. Didn't plan that. It's okay. Hands to the side. 15 reps. Ready? Make sure you place your back into the floor, right? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Relax. Up to you to do more, right? You can always choose to do another round. Maybe we're gonna do a fourth one for once, actually. Okay, let's try. Hands underneath the buttocks and legs straight, up, and 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we're not gonna do more. 4. I'm tired. 5, but it feels good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 5 more. You can do it. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and 0. Yeah, okay. Good. Whew, relax a bit. Prepare yourself for the last one. And we do 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yes, I know, I didn't count as it's supposed to be, but it's okay. Feels good, doesn't it? Okay. Because of the type of exercise we did, we're going to stretch a different way. And if you have a bolster, it works. If you have a block, it works as well. If you have just a cushion that is thick enough so it doesn't just collapse, you're going to place the cushion, the block, whatever you have, here in between your shoulder blades, centered, right? And we're going to lie down like this. And it's very good for the chest that we contracted just a bit too much, I find, with the exercises we did today. So arms up. You should at least touch the hands onto the floor. The elbows, if possible, it's even better, but you see I don't touch, so you can open until the elbows touch. The head obviously is touching the floor, right? Legs are straight. Keep your feet relaxed and allow your chest to open. So in yoga, it's called assisted fish pose. Full fish pose is quite challenging, but this one with the block like this, oh, such a pleasure. Once you're used to it, maybe you want to use the second level of the block. If you have a block, let me show you. So to get out, you roll onto the side. This is the best way not to injure yourself. And you use the second height, right? The third height would be like this. It's useless to do it. It just hurts for nothing. So you place it like this, and same as before. Up. Like this. So you see the head is again touching the floor, but it's the top of the head this time. The hands cannot touch, well, the hands touch, but the elbows cannot touch anymore. The floor, it's fine. And with that height, you can even feel the stretch here in the upper abs. It's very nice. Breathe, relax, enjoy. And slowly come on to the side. Let go of the block. Take a few seconds just to adjust and integrate what we just did to our body. If you did it too hard, then it's becoming a traumatic event, and it's unlikely you're going to get back to working out with your body, which is a shame because it's just good for your body to move, right? So make sure you don't push yourself too hard, and you increase progressively the repetitions, the difficulty, the weights that you add to your workout, so you feel more and more capable. And you have less and less pain, because eventually that's all we're looking for, right? Okay. I suggest you take some time to be grateful for what your body allowed you to do today. You celebrate the fact that you are alive today. Maybe another third one of your choosing that comes from your own personal life. Until you smile enough okay, to come up, bend your knees, catch the back of the knees, and roll up. Okay. Well, thank you so much for following this video and watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please put a thumb up. It's great for my own motivation. If you haven't done that yet, please do subscribe. And if you want to check out the whole playlist of all the abs workout videos of that kind, it's there, it's available to you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day or night. I don't know what time it is for you right now, but I hope you're filled with gratitude.